Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford Bronco Sport Big Bend. Coming in this nice black coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the Black Diamond off-road package. Taking a look at the back here, we got a tow hitch receiver, got rear recovery hooks, rear park sensing, backup camera. We do get a nice little lift glass, which allows you to have easier access to your cargo, or you can leave it open for some extra air. Totally up to you. We got roof rails, which is pretty nice for cargo, mud flaps on the rear and front. We have blind spot detection. We got some nice tie downs for your cargo, so if you have something on your roof, you can easily just tie it down right there. And moving to the front, we got a bash or a bush guard right there with license plate bracket and that nice Bronco grill. Taking a look in the back here, we do get quite a bit of cargo space. We get a cargo area management system, so you can just fold this out and have extra storage, which is pretty handy. You can lock and unlock it, all that jazz. Got a cargo area protector, so you got the cargo mat and rear seats mats where you can just hook them onto here. Hooks and doodads with 12 volt and 110 volt. You got some lights and hooks here. There's a light for your liftgate as well. And you do get your normal storage underneath with a full-size spare tire. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does CO2.5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice smoked truffle interior. So you have the nice gray and black cloth interior. Plenty of door space in the back. Floor mats, carpet interior, rear vents, 2 USB-Cs and 110 volt outlet with cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front. Powered windows, mirrors, locks, lights, liftgate, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 19 kilometers. We do get this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel with toggle-free screen, voice, phone, and media, volume mute, and cruise control. Looking at our screen here, we do get, come on girl, my view, trip and fuel, Bronco information, phone, audio, and other settings. To my right, we got our gear select, parking brake, auto hold, go modes, cup holders, storage here. You got a little grab handle here, wireless charging with some outlets, and of course you do get your storage underneath as well with a 12 volt. Engine starts up, auto stop at the start, max temp, hazards, traction, comm screen, and your backup camera. Got your volume right there as well. We got upfitter switches that come equipped with the Badlands package, which is pretty handy. You can set them up however you please. Storage on the dash with some outlets. And looking here, we have our audio, phone, settings, features, and apps, climate controls at the bottom, heated front seats. For your audio, you do get your AM, FM, Bluetooth, and SiriusXM. We got our phone controls, settings, features of the vehicle, and any apps you may download will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is RF73956, and you can head on out to PG Ford or give us a call.